Hey, what's going on, guys? Tony from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com, and what we're gonna do really quickly is paint these gold mirrors a Plasti-Dip black, just to see how it looks. Here is what the car looks like. It's not completely buffed out yet. It's not done, right? But we're gonna go ahead and see what it looks like with some flat black mirrors. So we got them right here. We're gonna wipe them down really quickly with wax and grease remover. They're a little dusty. All right, so we're gonna wipe them down. Wax and grease remover, where is it? Right here. Okay, so let's set up, wipe it down, then we're gonna rattle can it. It's a little cold out, it's like 60 degrees out, and I have my Plasti-Dip can actually in the office, 72 degrees. So it's in my office back there. So what we're gonna do is I'll be using that can. All right, so the cool thing is if I don't like how it turns out, I can easily peel it off in the future. You remember that, Maya?
Yeah. I remember we kind of peeled
We did
off
the rims.
tire.
Yeah, the rims.
Oh, wow. We got glossy.
Okay, so it's good to keep it glossy, right? We don't want to sand it or anything when doing Plasti-Dip, because that'll actually give us a problem when we want to
Peel it off.
peel it. It won't peel.
Because the smoother it is, the easier to peel.
Right. Is the kid, I'm saying, is it?
Yeah, it's going.
Okay.
Going.
Alright, so now we're just gonna screw it like right around here. Let's do the other one quick.
You might want to show them how you screw it.
So it's so easy, even your children can do it. See, look, the children's doing it. The child is doing it.
A child.
What are you?
I'm a kid. Child is like Hallie's age. Hallie's a child, I'm a kid. Even little pieces you gotta do. This tape is, I need another, yeah, tape. I'm just gonna use that one, easier. Alright. It's extra stickier.
Just push hard so we don't get any overspray.
Wait, where's the tape?
There.
Alright. One more line. Yeah, sound good. Done. Alright, that's done.
Okay, that's done. Now, good.
It's a little wobbly, but
It's fine.
Wait, you're gonna drill here too?
No.
Oh. This one. This one?
Yep.
Where? Right there. Your hat's covering it.
Oh. Now we have full view all around the mirror to do our Plasti-Dip paint job here, okay? Pretty easy. It's all wiped up. We'll just wipe it down one last shot before we start painting. So let me go to the office, grab my warm can of Plasti-Dip. Where is it? Right here. Good.
Yeah. I kind of want to paint it, but I kind of want to paint it, but I kind of don't want to paint it.
Well, it's gonna stink, so.
I'm gonna get out of here.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna open the door and we can shoot it. So that's it, guys. You just shake up your can. Black Plasti-Dip here. It's not laying on super smooth, but it will smoothen out. key is light coats. Bunch of light coats. So it takes a little while to dry, but when it starts to dry, it dries flat like this. It will dry smoother. All right, so it starts to look like this, orange peely. But when it dries up, it gets flatter. Even that little bump there will dry. It'll look pretty good. Okay, so pretty much looking good here. And we will see what it looks like on the car. I think it'll give the car a lower profile look because it's not going to draw attention or your eyes to the mirrors. Of course, I'm going to have to finish buffing this area out, but I will make a video updating and showing you what it looks like with the buffed out door and cleaned up with the flat black mirror on it to see. Alright, so what I wanted to do was just buff this area out quick and then put the mirror on to give you a better view of how it looks. So we're just going to buff this out quick. Again, this is sanded with 1500 grit, then washed with 2000 grit. Now we're going to buff it with some compound, heavy duty, step 1 with the wool pad, yellow wool pad. Then we are going to buff it with the DA style buffer with a foam pad. So let's go ahead and get started here. I'm going to be using the Automagic Professional Care Power Cut Plus. It really doesn't matter what kind of compound you use as long as you use a good cutting compound, and it doesn't have to be a very coarse cutting compound, just a basic compound, okay? And if it doesn't work well, get something that's gonna be a little bit better for yourself. All right, 3M has great products, Automagic has great products, Meguiar's has great products. Okay, so don't stress yourself out too much on the brand because there are a lot of good brands out there. I happen to have a lot of Automagic left, so that's what I am using. I'm just gonna kind of wipe this on quick so I don't make too much of a mess. So if we take a look, there's a little bit of hazing still. Okay, and a lot of this hazing will come out and it'll get bright brilliant after we go with the DA style orbiter. But if we take a look, pretty good. And you can also buff glass, which is pretty cool. I usually buff out the glass of my cars. You get them looking like brand new, but we'll do that later. Okay, so I didn't mask up the handle because it's chrome. They're not gonna hurt it. In here, after we're done, we could just get a toothbrush and just scrape this area out with a toothbrush. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug our other buffer in. And then we could put the mirror on it to see how it looks. Exciting. Okay. All right. Now my hand is a little dusty, right? But we can get the idea. So this is the finished product. You could see what it looks like with the flat black mirror overall like this. I think it really takes the eye away from the mirror now and it gives it more of a lower profile look. The other cool thing about auto body and doing everything yourself like this is if you don't like it, you could paint it gloss black if you want. You know, if you don't like that type of look, change it. You could paint it green, you know, whatever color you want. But I just wanted to kind of buff out, gloss up the door a little bit so you can kind of give you an idea of what it looks like as of now. So I think with the black top, maybe in the future, I will be glossing the black top. All right, the hard top is gonna be redone to a black base coat, clear coat. And I might even do the mirrors gloss black. Honestly, I'm more of a gloss person than a matte, but this kind of just gives me an idea on how it looks, you know, this style, and I think it came out pretty good. If you want to check out more videos on buffing, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Check out the website, learnautobodyandpaint.com. We got tons of more videos that'll show you step-by-step buffing techniques as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Click here to get a free 85-page auto body and paint manual. Like the video, share, subscribe, comment below, let me know what you thought about this project. I think it looks pretty good, not too shabby. I don't know, I think I like it more than the gold. I'm in the middle. You know, the gold looked pretty cool. The black looks pretty cool. Tell me your thoughts. What do you think? Would you gloss black it? You let me know. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.